Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we're doing a cook for a school staff. It was something that I sort of got hooked into doing, and it was also requested that I do lollipop chicken. Now, this is a drumstick that's French cut. I'll go through it with you. It turns out so good. So, hang tight. Okay, well, I've already started, and what I'm doing is I'm preparing these chicken legs for lollipop chicken. Now, this is a little labor intensive. It's very hands-on. I'm sure that whoever came up with this, and I have no idea, I know the French do something similar to this, but the lollipop chicken itself, I can't tell you who the first one to do this was. But you can see right in here on this part of the leg, you've got a bunch of tendons right there. And so what you want to do is you want to cut all the way around it and cut through the tendons. And if you just keep pushing this up, it's basically like what country boys say, skin a rabbit. In other words, you just pull it over that knuckle like that, and if you keep working with it, this whole piece right here will come off in your hand. And that left the knuckle on, but I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut through this tendon a little bit, clean it up. I'm sure whoever did this the first time was doing it completely for presentation. Would a whole chicken leg taste any different and not as good as this? I doubt it. Alright, let me show you this. Down the bone on a chicken leg is this little bone that runs down the side of it. If you'll take and start easing it out and stick your finger down in it, you can push down till it pops, and it'll pull away from whatever that is that's connected to it. And you got to get your fingers on it and pull it out. And take and push down on the bone. You're skinning it down, and there you have it. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to clean this up a little bit. I don't want to leave these tendons hanging out. You've eaten many a chicken leg, I bet, and didn't know what you were eating all of that in that leg. But you did. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you prep a lollipop chicken. Just be sure you pull the skin down. You want to leave that on and move on to the next one. And I have got a bunch to do, so when I get these done, I'll bring you back. Okay, well, it's time to do the cook. My fire is getting ready, so let's season these. Now, the first few I'm doing by special request with lemon pepper. Yuck, it's all right. We're gonna get back to the real stuff. This was by a lady who specifically asked for something not too spicy like lemon pepper. Okay, well, here's your lemon pepper. Actually, I do eat lemon pepper wings occasionally when I go out, but not my first choice at the house when I'm cooking. And I very rarely, if I'm doing for an event like this, do I ever do lemon pepper. What I do is, of course, you see me use it all the time, and that's Uncle Steve's Shake, right? Now this time, I'm going to use Gator Shake. It's got a little citrus pop in it, and I already know it goes well with the barbecue sauce that I'm going to use with these. So let's get these going here. And just a good dusting. I'm not going too heavy like normal, I guess. But I got a bunch of these to do. Lollipop chicken. Yeah, okay. Well, let me get these seasoned up and I'll bring you back. Okay, we've got these seasoned up, and when I take them over to the fire, I'll take you with me. Okay, well, it's time to put this chicken on. And I hope this first batch is gonna make it on here. I need to cook all this chicken on this pit barrel at one time. And keep my fire from getting way too hot, I need to pick it up here. Now I got that piece of oak in there. She's really putting out smoke right now. Come on. Y'all got to cooperate. There you go. I believe we're going to be able to do it. Oh yeah, we got plenty of room. And the lemon pepper. Get over there by yourself, lemon pepper. Okay, you see pretty much got a drum full here. Now I'm going to take this temperature probe and I'm going to, let's see, get down in the thick part of that one. There we go. Let's put the lid back on him and let's let him cook. Okay, well, let's check on these and see where we are. The ink bird says we're close. Yep. All right. So let's pull these out. Here's what I'm gonna do. It's time to sauce. Now I've got some sauce mixed up in this, and all I'm gonna do is take this chicken and just that part right there, I'm going to dunk it down in this bowl of sauce. All right. Let's get Let's close back up before I burn my chicken up. And there we go. Okay, well, these are temping out. So let's take them off. And look at this. Look how pretty that is. Man, talking about a pretty presentation, this will make one. And the chicken just keeps coming and keeps coming. Well, there it is. Come in and let you look. Lollipop chicken. Now, I did this for this event, and of course, I did all the labor. I'm going to try it first. So let's go in, take a bite. Look at that. Just as juicy as it could be. That pit barrel did a good job. Well, thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, hit this circle over here. I'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.